so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal is an animal that cowboys and cowgirls love to ride. And they go, yee-haw! And it gallops. Yeah, a horse. And today, you and I are gonna draw a brown horse. So let's start with an oval right there, a rectangle for the neck, and then a big oval right there. Ooh, and some rectangles for the legs. Yeah, this is looking like a beautiful horse. And then let's draw the mane. Whoa, very nice. Can't forget about that ear. Ooh, and a smiley face. And the tail. Whee! Whoa! Horses are amazing and they love to run. Whoa! Now, does that look like a beautiful horse that you would love to ride? I know, me too! Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like playing outside during the day? I do too, but I have a question for you. What's that big circle thing in the sky that's really bright and really hot? Yeah, it's the sun. Maybe you and I could draw the sun today together. All right, since it's a circle, let's start by drawing a circle. Here we go. Perfect. And then these light rays shine out from the side. So let's draw those. It's like a bunch of U's. Yeah, see that? Whoa, it's so shiny. Whoa, there we go. And since playing outside is so much fun and happy, maybe we could make the sun have some sunglasses since it's so bright and a smiley face because playing outside is so much fun. Whoa, let's connect those lenses. Well, if you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Keep playing outside. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face, nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Whoa. And you can't forget about all the spots, just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute! Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi! And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa! I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa! And then you get to eat the cake. So yummy! So let's draw a straight line. And then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. so then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, yeah, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? Giant wheels and tires! Yeah! So 2 big circles right there, and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow! Now, does that look like a monster truck, or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah! Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I have a great idea what we could draw today. Let's draw an animal. A really big animal. It's the 3rd largest living land animal today. Yeah, it's a hippopotamus. Oh, what a silly name. Hippopotamus. You can just call him a hippo. All right, let's see. Hippos are really big, so let's draw an oval. Yeah, for its mouth area. Ooh, and then half circle for its head. Ooh, and let's draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Ooh, and then 2 little cute ears. There we go. Ooh, and 2 dots for the nose. Little smiley face. And a really big body because they're so big. Ooh, and then there's 1 back leg and another back leg. Kind of looks like a rectangle. Big belly, and then 2 rectangles up here for the legs. But you can't forget about the tail. There we go. There we go. Hey, hippo. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Caw, caw, caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bird. Caw, caw, caw. A stork, to be exact. Yeah, storks are really big birds, and they have really big beaks. Why don't we draw a stork together? Okay, here we go. Let's draw a big marker, and then start with the head. There we go. Whoa, and the body, a little squiggle. Oh, and right here. Wow, it's starting to look like a bird. Yeah. First, let's draw the big long bill. Yeah, it's kind of like a triangle, right? And then, here we go. And the eyeball. There we go. But you can't forget about the legs. 2 legs with cute feet, just like that. And then, the wing. That's how they fly. Ooh, and then sometimes, yeah, in stories, they can carry babies. Cool. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Caw, caw, caw.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!